My name is Dushimimana Jean Claude. I'm the co-PI of the project Technology Enhanced STEM Education in Rwanda.
What motivated you to conduct this research?
This research was driven by the recognition that integrating ICT into teaching and learning is essential for strengthening STEM education, which serves as a foundation for national socioeconomic development and overall well-being. Recognizing this, the government of Rwanda prioritized ICT integration in education to enhance students' competencies in STEM subjects. Despite efforts made by the government of Rwanda, significant challenges persist, including limited teacher training, inconsistent ICT infrastructure, and lower student engagement with digital tools. Overcoming these barriers is crucial for fostering innovation and empowering STEM education outcomes. The Technology Enhanced STEM Education in Rwanda project explores how ICT tools such as GeoGebra, Symbol Lab Calculator, and Faith Simulation can enhance student learning by leveraging physical, psychological, and cultural proximity in education. So the objective of this project is there are three. The first one being to assess the role of GeoGebra in enhancing Senior 1 students' conceptual understanding and achievement through social and cultural proximity. The second was to investigate the effect of Faith simulation to enhance chemistry education of Senior 1 students through physical proximity of learning. While the third one was to explore the role of Symbol Lab Calculator software usage in enhancing pre-service science and mathematics teachers. So the methodology employed, this study was conducted into 10 schools, 6 schools for mathematics, where 4 were lower secondary schools and 2 were teacher training colleges. The study also used 4 lower secondary schools chemistry subject. So the intervention was conducted into 2 schools of lower secondary schools where GeoGebra was used, and 2 schools were considered as the control group. So one teacher training college was used as an experimental school, while the other one was used as a control group, and 4 Senior 1 secondary schools were considered for chemistry, where 2 were considered as the experimental group and 2 were considered as the control group. So the findings of this study were as follows. Regarding the use of GeoGebra, it was found that the use of GeoGebra enhances conceptual understanding of points, line, angles through social and cultural proximity. It was also observed that there is a significant improvement in students' conceptual understanding with the group that used GeoGebra compared to the group that was not using GeoGebra to learn points, line, and angles. In addition, students who were taught using GeoGebra were more motivated, engaged, and more collaborative while they were learning using GeoGebra. As of the use of Symbol Lab Calculator, we found that actually pre-service teachers who were learning trigonometry using a Symbol Lab Calculator were more motivated, and their performance was higher compared to those who were not using Symbol Lab Calculator. However, the study found out that actually students who have computer skills is a challenge, and there were also an issue of full internet connectivity. As of the learning chemistry using Faith simulation, the results also showed that actual students who were learning using Faith simulation performed better compared to those who learned without using Faith simulation. It was also observed that actually when students are learning using Faith simulation, students can easily visualize chemistry concepts which were challenging for the students who were not learning using Faith simulations. So as of recommendation, actually, the study is recommending that we expand ICT infrastructure by increasing the funding to equip students with more computers, tablets, or internet, so that the teachers can teach STEM subjects using ICT tools. It is also recommended that the policy of how teachers can integrate ICT in their teaching should be developed. And the study also is recommending that more CPDs about ICT integration teaching STEM subjects should be enhanced in secondary school level. So, as of the way forward, we will keep working with these teachers by monitoring how they are implementing the software that they were trained on while they are teaching. It was also suggested by the students who undertake courses using these ICT tools that they requested us to go back and again deliver a lesson with the use of ICT tools that the teachers were trained on. So as educators, we found that this is really very important, and we want to keep collaborating with teachers and again training other teachers from the schools so that they can also start using ICT tools while teaching their specific subjects. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.